Secret to likable people. I remember a few years ago when I was driving to work, I would listen to the radio. The radio host had this smooth voice and was hilarious. It was mainly his voice which had me listening to him. It had a special aura. After a few months passed by, I decided to Google what he looked like. When I saw him, I was very surprised. Dude was ugly as shit. His face didn't match his voice whatsoever, but that doesn't matter. A secret key to likability is having a nice voice. A voice that attracts people into your world and makes them curious about what you have to say. Getting a voice like that is no easy task. It requires work, patience, and consistency. Luckily, the voice that a person is born with can be changed whenever they want it to change. There was this blind voice coach that I heard of a while back. Can't remember his name. He gave me an insight that changed my life. He said, "View the voice as a musical instrument." When he said that, it was as though my paradigm had changed. This was genius. I dumped out my ukulele that day and went all in on practicing the musicality of my voice. How did you practice the musicality of your voice? I read out loud and recorded myself. When I would listen to the audio, I would check how I sounded. Then I readjusted. After a few weeks of practice, I decided to get into podcasting. Podcasting is one of the best things for the voice. After 6 months of consistent practice, I can happily say that I've improved. This is good news for you because that means you can improve as well. Read a book out loud and record yourself or start a podcast. Just bring awareness to the voice. What if my voice sounds icky when I listen to it? Everyone's voice sounds icky to them when they listen to it. Continue anyways. Sharpen it over and over again. You'll improve. The voice is a musical instrument, and the magnificence is that you carry it with you all the time. The voice can either open doors or close it.